Welcome to Lesson 2.1 and your introduction to ancillary care services. Before we begin Part 2, let's first reflect back into the first section. As we focused on the healthcare practice, those who provided services, and what we can do as patients to make our healthcare experiences and outcomes more favorable. Now for Part 2, let's focus on the care that we will receive outside of the clinic. So in this lesson, and throughout the course of Part 2, you will learn the full range of healthcare services and products that are utilized as a cost-effective solution to support the work of the primary physician. This video may go a little fast, so if you haven't done so already, have the presentation notes in front of you. And be sure to watch the video all the way through for the first time, and then go back to the parts that you need more clarity on. After completing this lesson, you will know why and how ancillary care services have recently secured validity in our healthcare marketplace. And your lesson takeaways will be to know the 3 categories of healthcare services and understand why each are categorized in this way. Understand the relationship between the physician and outside care treatment contributors, as well as be able to discern and identify the appropriate times to utilize ancillary care services. So in order to reach our knowledge goals, this lesson will cover the 3 types of ancillary care services, the relationship of your primary provider and the ancillary care network, as well as why these ancillary care services are so important. Now, let's define what is ancillary care. Ancillary care services refers to the diagnostic, therapeutic, and custodial care that is provided to support the work of the physician. Now let's take a look at the 3 types of ancillary care services. Diagnostic services include laboratory tests, radiology, genetic testing, and diagnostic imaging. Therapeutic services range from rehabilitation to physical and occupational therapy, as well as speech therapy. And custodial services include everything from hospice care to long-term care, as well as urgent care. Now let's take a look at the ancillary care market. Ancillary care is currently one of the fastest growing sectors in healthcare, representing nearly 30% of medical spending today. Ancillary care services are becoming more and more relevant in today's healthcare marketplace, as it is a cost-effective solution while continuing to advance in therapeutic practices. There are so many service and product components related to your healthcare and on your team, and we must take advantage of this great offering to ensure that we have the best possible outcomes and the best possible healthcare experience. And that concludes our lesson for today on the overview of ancillary care services. Now join me in our next lesson, and for the rest of Course 2, to see how ancillary care services help you become a better governor in your healthcare.